as of right now, y'all can't tell me anything about this light. This light is giving me life right now. Let there be light. And I got it. If you clicked on this video, you're here for one or two reasons. One being you're just nosy and want to see what the hell this video is about. Or you're a new YouTuber who wants to find out new and innovative ways on how you can create the same quality of videos that these big YouTubers have. Well, if you stay tuned and watch this video, I'll show you exactly how you can have the same quality. So on the left hand side of the screen, I'm going to be showing you the materials that I am using to create my DIY ring light. As you can see, I'm using a metallic foam screen, as well as a circular dome basket, zip ties, and I'm going to be also using a shower curtain as a diffuser, a USB outlet, as well as LED lights. All of this was purchased at my local Japanese store, but you can purchase all of these items either online on Amazon or at your local Walmart or local stores. So now we're going to go ahead and draw an outline of the circular basket onto the metallic foam. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting out the circle outline that I just created from using the circular basket. So now that we have our circle, we're going to go ahead and place the circle outline inside of the circular basket and just lay it flat as much as we can. As you can see, the metallic outline is raised higher on the sides of the circular basket. That was intentional. That was on purpose. So now I'm just poking holes from the back side of the circular basket onto the metallic outline, just so that way I can start applying the zip ties. So right now I just wanted to come up to the camera a little bit closer to give you guys a more zoomed in view of what I'm doing. subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is just a second opportunity to see exactly what it is that I'm doing close up and in personal. And this is how I'm poking the holes through the circular basket onto the metallic overlay and sliding the zip ties through. So now that we're all done, we're going to go ahead and cut the zip ties off. Finally, guys, finally. Now for the part that we all have been waiting for, the LED lights. Now we're going to go ahead and apply them. As you can see, the LED lights are like sticky strips, so that's how we're going to be applying them. Now that we're finished, guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply the USB outlets to the cords. Alright guys, so I'm all done with making my DIY ring light. So right now I'm just going to kind of like do a compare and contrast on how it looks without the light and with the light. Obviously right now this is me without the ring light and this is me with the ring light. Alright, so as you can see, my face looks pretty soft, but you can see all of my imperfections now that I have better quality lighting. So as of right now, this is just what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys once again without it. So this is without. And this is with. Major difference, major difference. So obviously I made this light so that I can have better studio lighting. Right now I'm recording with my phone. I'm going to be purchasing a camera and I actually already purchased the camera. The camera is on its way here to Japan. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my new camera. So stay tuned to see what camera that I ordered. Thank you guys for watching this video with me to see how I put together my DIY ring light. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.